Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we'll see how to create a PDF file in your iPhone. And here, PDF file means from scratch, like your text, your images, right? Your tables, etc. etc. So there is no conversion, but actually create a PDF file on your iPhone, and it is possible with multiple media in the PDF file. So for this, we require only one application, that is Notes app. So first of all, go and open the Notes app. It is there on everyone's iPhone. So we require only one application, that is Notes. So open the Notes and create a new note. And here the trick starts. So now talking about how to create a PDF file here. So here we know, just keep on typing. So whatever content is, you can just type here, write it down, what is required in the PDF file. Okay, for example, let me type anything here like a demo. Okay, and after that let me add a text more. For that you can go to any website, okay, copy the text and come and paste it here, because it is your content or a text content. So copy the text from anywhere and paste in the notes, so it can add to a PDF file, right? If you see, here is the text. So now once you have the text, you can do multiple things to the text, like your bold, italic, okay, add some symbols, etc. etc. That is possible here. Okay, select the text, bold, italic, underline, anything can be done here with the text formats here, right? After that, after the text, now comes the multimedia, right? For example, if you see here, there is a camera icon. Once you tap on that, there are multiple options, like you click photo and upload, or scan photos, scan document, scan text, multiple things. For now, let's go and add the photo in the PDF file. Okay, here go to photos, camera or gallery, and just select the photos which you want to add. So choose the photo and add. If you see, so first we have text, now we have photos or images in the PDF file. Similarly, you can keep multiple photos in a camera roll and you can edit in the PDF file or a notes here. Now after images, we'll see how to add a text or how to scan the text from the actual books, because sometimes there are many papers, okay, from which you want to add the text to the notes or PDF file. For that, do one thing, tap on the camera icon and last option, that is a scan text. Okay, enable that, it will open a camera on your iPhone or notes, and here just place your camera on the book or a text, right? If you see, it will automatically scan the text and show it here. Okay, show preview here, and just keep on or select on the insert text. Okay, it will automatically add a text from the scanned book or a scanned paper. So that way you can add any physical text available in front of you from book, paper, anything to a notes application. Okay, like that you can do multiple things in this trick, right? So now we have text, images, now we have scanned text. Okay, similarly we can have a scanned document as well, or a photos. So just like you scan the text, similarly you can scan the document in a note application and edit here. That is done now. And here, if you all know that tables are very important part of the document. Okay, so here in here we have option for table as well. If you see at the left side bottom corner, just tap on that and it will add tables to your notes in a application. So here just tap on that, and here you can add multiple rows or multiple columns as well, and you can fill them as well. So it is a trick here, you can add or create a tables in your notes application or a note file. So as you saw that how to add multiple media types or multiple media files to the notes, there is one more thing, that is drawing. Okay, just tap on the pencil dot or pencil nib icon and just keep on drawing, or just roll a finger on the screen, it will draw automatically. You can choose multiple colors, multiple pencil type for drawing as well, right? So as you saw here, you can add or you can create everything in a notes application that is required to create a PDF document. Okay, after adding everything, now comes the next step. Okay, creating a PDF file. So it is now notes, right? So at the right side top corner, there are 3 dots. Just tap on that, it will give you the more options. So do one thing, from here scroll up and there is an option called print. Just tap on the print option. Once you do that, it will give you the print preview of the pages. So from the notes you created, there are 2 pages. Okay, and if you see here, there are 2 pages, and anytime if you want to remove any pages from the notes, you can just deselect them and it will be removed from your pages or your notes, right? So now the next step, after you have pages here, print preview pages, do one thing, at the first page just zoom the image or zoom the page. If you see, like that. So how we zoom the photos, similarly zoom the page. It will automatically open the pages on your iPhone. And now if you notice here, it is showing the note preview in a PDF format. If you see, okay, there are multiple pages just like a PDF file. So now do one thing, at a share icon, just tap there. If you see there is a share icon, just tap on that, and here if you see the sharing document is into PDF format. If you see, right, it's showing the PDF document, right? So there are multiple options you can share, like a WhatsApp, Gmail, email, everything you can share the notes in the PDF format. Here one more thing you must have noticed, that is your PDF file or PDF document size, that is 3 MB here. That is because the photo or image we used in the notes application. If you see, the image size itself is a 3 MB. So automatically the PDF document size will be same as the images used in the document or notes. So whenever you're using images, just make sure that you compress them, okay, and then use it in your notes for a PDF document creation. So like this is a very simple trick. Just create a note and just add the media files. Just go to options, print, and here zoom the page, and here share into PDF documents. It's very simple trick. First time it will be difficult to know, but once you know it, it's very easy. So like that, it's very simple trick. Just follow the steps and you can create a actual PDF file from scratch on your iPhone with a simple tricks. So I hope you understood the trick. I hope it was helpful, and if yes, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.